Hey y'all, Bear here. Look here, it's camp cooking time, and I'm sheltering at home still, governor's orders, but apparently everybody didn't get the message. So bear with that, okay? I'm sorry. Moving right along. It's time for a little potato skillet redemption. You know, I didn't follow Betty Crocker's instructions, and there's some ideas I've gotten from y'all about what might make this work better, and I've got some ideas, but I can't find it on the shelf right now. So we'll have to come back to the Betty Crocker. In the meantime, we're going to do the rosemary and olive oil skillet potatoes with fresh potatoes. So let's get rid of the box. We don't need that. I'll keep my water though, it's hot. Now what I've got going on today to make Bear's version, sea salt, olive oil, black pepper, parsley, fresh rosemary, fresh garlic, fresh red potatoes, a scallion and some green onion for garnish. So let's get to chopping. Oh yeah, I got a steak to go along with the potatoes. And leftover asparagus. I know some of y'all don't like asparagus. You cook whatever side vegetable you want. Now, first things first, we're gonna get some water on the boil. Since we boiled the freeze-dried potatoes, we're gonna boil these first. And I'm gonna throw a little salt in the water. Now, since I'm boiling these first, I'm gonna cut nice big hearty chunks. Honestly, at camp, I don't normally boil these first. I just cut them real small so they'll be cooked by the time they get done browning. Ah, I lost a potato. Uh-oh. I think my scallion got funky. Let me go get another onion. I got a half an onion in the refrigerator. And if you're doing this at home, you zap that micro... If you're doing this at home, you can zap that potato in the microwave for a couple minutes and do the same thing. Save yourself a little stove time. Alright, let's give the rosemary a rough little chop here. Now these green onions are regrown onions. Meaning when I buy green onions at the grocery store, I take the root in, drop it in a little cup, and put it on the counter in my kitchen. And I grow more green onion. I wish I could do that to my asparagus. Oh, potatoes have been boiling for 5 minutes. Let's get those guys off and drain them out. Get everything ready because this is going to go fast when it goes. Not going to take long. Pepper on the steak, sea salt. Y'all can't see what's going on, can you? There we go, that better? Alright, let's see, I already got that side with salt, pepper, oil. Oil, pepper, sea salt. I've already washed, cleaned, pulled off the woody ends on my asparagus. After I pull my potatoes from the pan, I'm gonna give these guys a quick warm up my oil, get my steak cooking. salt, pepper, brown, mix, and repeat. Honestly, one potato probably would have been plenty. All right, y'all, let's get the rosemary in. All right, I think we're there. Let's see here. My asparagus is a little bit long, y'all. Let's do this. There we go. Now it's time for some fresh grated Parmesan. Oh yeah. And now for our fresh onion. I completely forgot about the parsley I had. My coals got a little cool on the grill, so I went ahead and finished my steak off in the pan. I've got more fresh Parmesan. Why not? Let's cover the plate. Now that's what I call potato redemption. Let's dig in. Unfortunately, the eating part did not record. Let's just say it was awesome. But look here, y'all stay safe, stay inside, and when we get back out, we'll see you on the trail.